run by a US-based NGO, and it has archived billions of documents and pages. So, sir, like God favored us in our research, and what this information that was deleted, it was fortunately for us, it was archived by archive.org, and it is still available on their website today, which can be checked and verified.
All right, Mr. Gurpreet Anand, thank you very much for joining us on the News Hour. Opening up the debate and introducing our guest tonight, GVL Narasimha Rao, National Spokesperson of the BJP, Shehzad Poonawalla, lawyer, Sanjeev Srivastava, founder and editor of Edit Platter, Faizan Kidwai, spokesperson of the Samajwadi Party, Dr. Fuad Halim, spokesperson of the CPIM, Raghavendra Rao, spokesperson of the JDS, Waris Pathan, MLA and spokesperson of the AIMIM, Ashutosh Mishra, senior journalist. And the big debate, is Congress Imandar? That's the poll going on the bottom of your screens. We've asked the question, what do you think about Rahul Gandhi's Congress? Yes, it is Imandar. 22% of our viewers feel yes, it is Imandar. 78% of our viewers feel no, it is not Imandar. And first on our segment called The Standpoint, Ashutosh Mishra takes on GVL Narasimha Rao. Ashutosh Mishra, why, if Siddaramaiah has nothing to hide about his meeting with Vijay Easwaran, has this page been deleted? Why have the photographs been deleted from the government website? They were there in 2013, and as Gurpreet Anand has pointed out, they have been recovered from other places, archive.org. But the Karnataka government, obviously embarrassed, has decided to delete them. Isn't this a sign of admission of guilt?
We have discussed this photograph earlier also. We have seen this and this has been discussed. Why it has been, why it is missing now.
Which photograph are you talking about?
The photograph where you show him standing with Siddaramaiah.
What about the photograph of the website?
Yeah,
have you seen that photograph before?
No, I'm talking about.
Have you seen the photograph before?
We have seen this.
Have
and
you seen the website before?
Why it has been deleted? We have seen the media report, and this we have discussed this earlier also.
The website?
The photograph, and Mr. Siddaramaiah did not deny meeting Mr. Easwaran at that time. So that has been. But what we are discussing here today is the word Imandar. Is Rahul Gandhi Imandar? Let's first talk about BJP. When we talk about BJP, there what are the election phase today? The Yediyurappa and his mining friend Mr. Reddy, the Yediyurappa. They are the two most famous, honest and clean men in the state. And if you look at their past record, that explains what the word Imandar means in the lexicon of BJP. We talk about the photograph of Easwaran. BJP will never talk about the photo of Nirav Modi. That is their standard of Imandar. The moral and political honesty of the Prime Minister can be seen when he claims that he electrified the whole nation. So in the BJP maths, last 18,000 villages are greater than the 6 lakh villages electrified by Congress.
90 seconds.
That is another explanation of Imandar.
90 seconds.
And the latest example of their honesty, Imandari, is Shri Ramulu, who is going to be who claims he is going to be the deputy chief minister.
You'll take 15 minutes. You'll take 15 minutes at this rate.
And we have been his 500 crore bribe.
Okay, time is up. 90 seconds up. Respond, GVL Narasimha Rao. If Mr. Siddaramaiah has nothing to hide, why are these details vanished from the website of the Karnataka government? Is this admission of guilt?
No, absolutely this is an admission of guilt, Navika. This is also, I think the disclosures really embarrassed the Congress party so much, and they found it difficult to really keep this in public domain. And for the Congress party, I think Inamdar and Congress party are two poles apart. Congress is the fountainhead of political corruption in the entire world. Indian National Congress, I think, epitomizes political corruption. And for Rahul Gandhi, this is not Inamdar. Siddaramaiah is not a Imandar, but a Inamdar, taking a gift I think for a public servant, a chief minister is a public servant, to take a gift, a watch of 70 lakh rupees, and shamelessly really wear it and then tom it is the height of arrogance and corruption. And Rahul Gandhi, how is he honest? Faces a 5,000 crore fraud in National Herald case. He is number 1 accused. His mother is number 2 accused. 5,000 crore heist of a property. I think Rahul Gandhi is a benamidar and Siddaramaiah is a inamdar. I think imandari and Congress don't go together. I think they should not really pollute the word imandari, because that word has some sanctity in public life, and Congress cannot be remotely associated with this. And as far as the present election is concerned, entire Congress and Siddaramaiah, and whereas Yediyurappa has absolutely no cases against him. He has gone through the trial of fire and he's emerged unscathed. So
let me open up the debate. Let me open up the debate and let me ask Shehzad Poonawalla. Shehzad Poonawalla, 2013 report that vanished. Why would the Siddaramaiah government remove these photographs, remove these details? And look at what these details said in that report in 2013. They gave the details of this entire meeting. They said, Honorable Chief Minister met Mr. Vijay Easwaran, Executive Chairman of the QNet Group. QNet Group, founded in 1998, is a multinational conglomerate comprising of regional offices in Hong Kong, Singapore, Malaysia, Thailand and Philippines. The business lines include lifestyle, leisure. The Karnataka delegation explained the various investment opportunities available in above sectors and also highlighted the incentives and concessions available for partnering. So they were actually doing a hard sell of Karnataka with Vijay Easwaran. Now everything is vanished. Are they embarrassed?
Actually, it's not just admission of guilt. This would fall in the category of destruction of evidence. But unfortunately, they don't realize that it can be all retrieved from archive.org. You know, the hand was rewarded with a watch. But with the haathon ki safai, they thought they will remove the evidence of it. Now, Rahul ji said ki I am imandar. बेलदारी राहुल जी कहते कि मैं आरामदार, मैं बेलगामदार और मैं मालदार, तो जनता मान भी लेती. But he is saying I am ईमानदार and जनता is saying बस करो ये अत्याचार. Mr. Moily has tweeted and said कि राहुल जी का हाथ कॉन्ट्रैक्टर के साथ. CAG report has said Mr. Mishra, जन्यूधारी मिश्रा जी, मैंने आपको इंटरप्ट नहीं किया. Why you be being a spokesperson of Rahul Gandhi ji? So let me complete. Please, Mr. Mishra, पंडित जी, SDPI के साथ आप गठबंधन करके, पंडित जी मेरा please, let me complete my last point. इतना आप मेरी आवाज को मत दबाओ. नहीं, आप आवाज दबाओ. इतना आवाज मत दबाओ. मैं सिर्फ इतना कह रहा हूँ. CAG report has been highlighted even by Times now that irrigation के नाम पे राहुल जी का हाथ not with किसान के साथ, it was with contractor के साथ. So this is a clear-cut case of destruction of evidence, and when the investigation starts, Mr. Siddaramaiah and his company should be charged with destruction of evidence. Also, there are brand ambassadors. You know, there's a WhatsApp going around. Ranbir Kapoor's brand ambassador of Tag, and Mr. Siddaramaiah is the brand ambassador of Hublot. That is the political joke on WhatsApp going around.
Well, Mr. Varis Pathan, you're supporting the JDS. What do you think, Mr. Varis Pathan? Do you think Mr. Siddaramaiah, if he had nothing to hide, would have deleted these details from the website of the Karnataka government? Is this destruction of evidence, as Shehzad Poonawalla points out?
Well, let me tell you, Navika, first of all, neither Rahul Gandhi nor Modi is imandar. Both of them are Beiman. Both of them are playing with the emotions of the people of our country. Now, Siddaramaiah's watch, Hublot watch, disappears after 2013, whereas here 35,000 crore rupees is disappeared by Reddy brothers. So both of them are Beiman. Now, let us have a political party who is both imandar and who is namdar. Let us move for JDS, who can go work for the development of the state, who can give employment for the state, who can do the betterment of the state. That is why we support the JDS. Let us have a party who is not involving itself in just leveling business and allegations against each other. No personal allegation. Here we are talking only about development. So where does it go to? Now the country is watching every day that one is saying Aam Namdar, the other one is going for Inamdar, whereas everybody has seen the Hublot watch which was being voted by Siddaramaiah, now suddenly it disappears after 2030, it is deleted. As Cesar right now said that it can be retrieved. Let us retrieve it. Let an investigation be done to it. Where has the watch gone? If it was there on the portal, how it can be taken away? Let an investigation be done, so everything will come out. Who is Inamdar? Who is Imandar? Everything will be before the nation. But here what we are talking is for the development of the country. Why don't anybody talk about the development? Why only level business and personal allegations against each other? The country wants employment. The youth of the country, Navika, wants employment. They want job. They want the economy of the country to improve.
So Mr. Varis Pathan, let me do a rapid fire. Let me do a rapid fire of questions with you. Do you think
Right.
your alliance partner, the JDS, will rule out any alliance with either the BJP or the Congress after the poll results in Karnataka?
Well, let me tell you, Navika, our president has also already said that he has spoken to the JDS, and there is no question of the JDS going and teaming up with the BJP. But then they might be the kingmaker. I don't think that they should not. But let the result be declared. Everything will be dependent upon the result that comes. How can I foresee something today? Let there be a government, let there be a stable government who works for the development. Country wants the economy to be improved. After the demonetization, the GST, as you and me, every country has seen, the entire country has seen where we have gone to. The GDP has gone down. We want an improvement. See, so many people are languishing in jail in the Siddaramaiah ruled Karnataka state. So many Muslim youths have been languishing in jail for so many years. And what have they done? What imandari has the Congress government done for the minority of this country for the last 70 years? And what Mr. Modi has done for what imandari Modi has done for the country's youth? In the last 4 years since the BJP government has come to power, what have they done for the minority? Akhlaq was lynched in the name of cow. Every now and then we see people, Muslims and Dalits are being lynched in the name of cow.
Mr. Raghavendra Rao, what do you think of Siddaramaiah?
Let's have a political party.
If he had nothing to hide, would he have deleted this detail from his website?
See, I would like to bring a few information regarding this. First of all, February 26, 2016, Mr. Kumaraswamy brought out all these things. He exposed this issue in front of the media. And then Mr. Siddaramaiah denied all these things, and he told that one of his friend, Dr. Girish Verma, who is a friend for him since 30 years, has gifted him in the month of July 2015. And it is not a new thing. It is not a question for gifting and all. Who is Mr. Kumaraswamy to question and all? He had questioned Mr. Kumaraswamy. And now the thing has come out. It was first exposed by Mr. Kumaraswamy, the president of JDS Karnataka. I would like to bring this to your notice and to the notice of the people of India.
But will you comment on the fact? Actually, will you comment on the fact that if Mr. Siddaramaiah had nothing to hide, would he actually remove these details from the website of the Karnataka government? Respond to that question.
Exactly, his government was there at this
stage. See, actually, if he is clean sheet, if his books are open and white and black, why should he close it? Why should he vanish that
That's the point.
Evidences?
Sanjeev Srivastava, does this look like Mr. Siddaramaiah walking into a trap if he had nothing to hide, if Mr. Easwaran and his meeting, as he has said in various statements that he has issued, that he didn't know Mr. Easwaran, this was a chance meeting, he has no idea who Easwaran was, then what are all these details in the press release that was put out in 2013, and why has this press release vanished from the website now?
Navika, all of these questions can only be answered after an investigation. I can just tell you that after having spent about a week in Karnataka, a lot of people say that this is perhaps the most expensive state election ever having fought in India. About $1 billion, मतलब 6-7 हज़ार करोड़ का इलेक्शन है और कोई प्रचार सामग्री नहीं दिखती, कोई पोस्टर बैनर नहीं दिखते, तो ये सब पैसे डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो रहे हैं, तो दोनों में से कोई ईमानदार नहीं है, ना तो ईमानदार कहने वाले राहुल गांधी, ना खाऊंगा ना खाने दूंगा कहने वाले Modi ji who has encouraged Yadurappa and Reddy brothers. Today there is also a tape out of the famed Reddy brothers discussing a deal with the former Chief Justice of India, son-in-law. Now whether that is fake or real, that is also needs to be investigated. The fact is corruption but is not an issue in Karnataka elections. That is another thing which nobody is talking about corruption on the ground. Maybe the leaders are talking about it, maybe there are allegations and counter allegations, but the real issue in Karnataka this election is one, caste, Ivoka Ligga, Lingayat, Kurba, and polarization, Hindu-Muslim. So these are the two big election issues, and whether he is corrupt or not, there is no anti-incumbency against Siddaramaiah on the ground.
So you think corruption is not an issue at all, Dr. Fuad Halim? Dr. Fuad Halim, do you think after all the scams this country has seen, the coal scam, the spectrum scam, all these issues don't matter? Now Hublot is something that can actually be a poll symbol, election symbol, and corruption doesn't mean we will believe everybody. Somebody who says na khaunga na khane dunga, we'll believe him also, and we'll believe Rahul Gandhi also who says main namdar nahi imandar hu. We will believe everybody on face value.
Well, Navika, I think so. The evidence that is coming across very clearly motivates one to actually rename the World Economic Forum to World Economic Fraudsters Forum. Because you see, the Prime Minister allowed access to Nirav Modi at the World Economic Forum, and now we are seeing that Siddaramaiah was accessed by Vijay Ishwaran at the World Economic Forum. So actually the apical think tank of capitalism is basically a cesspool of economic offenders and fraudsters, and that's where they sit down and discuss.
He was there at the part of the Schwab Foundation.
Now coming to the...
And he was removed by the Schwab Foundation.
Let me please finish. If you are kind enough...
I know Hublot is a big blow for you, but don't misrepresent the facts.
Listen to you.
I know Hublot is big blow for you. You people are the most austere people, but you want Chief Minister very Hublot. This is very funny. I thought leftists were the most simple, austere people. Now they want Hublot.
Then it's not your
You want Hublot? You want Apple iPhone? You want iPad? It is very strange. No, was Nirav Modi there as part of PMO delegation? You tell me don't lie.
I have no problems. I have no problem if
Mehul Bhai was given all benefits by Karnataka government.
Pictures, if there is some meeting, all right, no problem. My only question is tonight, Mr. Ashutosh Mishra, my question is, and look at this. This is the statement of the Karnataka government on the meeting between the Chief Minister and Mr. Ishwaran of QNet. If there is nothing wrong, and if this is an official meeting, and if the government of Karnataka is officially inviting investments and offering the state of Karnataka and incentives for investments in Karnataka to QNet, and this press release was on the website, why has it been removed now? So I'm asking you, isn't this a valid question?
Yeah, and there is a very straight answer which has already been given, that this can be only be found through a probe. Who is the official? Because Mr. Siddaramaiah won't be handling the website on his own. So who removed it?
Since it involves Chief Minister, should not Chief Minister take moral responsibility? He's now under the probe.
Oh, so it's some underling who has done it. Are you saying that?
He met Mr. Ishwaran. He has said as much. So he's not denying the fact that he met Mr. Ishwaran. He's
and not invited, laid out red carpet.
He's not making excuses that Nirav Modi was there just by it was somebody else's mistake and Mehul Bhai is somebody else's mistake. He has accepted that he met Mr. Ishwaran, and he has said that
then how is Rahul Imandar when his Chief Minister is doing all kinds of nefarious activities?
You haven't proved
Rahul
anything.
Gandhi's Chief Minister's time is up, and he's saying I'm Imandar. Bhrashtachar ka time samapt. Bhrashtachar ka time samapt.
Mr. Gurpreet Anand is raising his hand. Mr. Gurpreet Anand, the whistleblower wants to come in. The whistleblower. Yes, Mr. Anand.
The issue at hand, it is being trivialized by all these small arguments. The information that was deleted and it is vanished. There is a very sinister design to it, and that is to protect someone very high up in the UPA government directly, because it will lead directly to ministers who are in UPA 1 and UPA 2. protecting this scam. If you go through my complaint, where I put my charges against the public servant Chief Minister, Mr. Siddaramaiah, on page 28.
Major accusation being made by the whistleblower, GVL Narasimha Rao. Major accusation that this is being done to save somebody in UPA 1, UPA 2.
Yeah.
Respond to that. Whistleblower makes that allegation.
Absolutely. No, Navika. No, Navika. I think all the corruption actually leads to 10 Janpath, and all these corrupt activities emanate from there. So there is a 10 Janpath, 24 Akbar Road, the Congress Party headquarters, which is the epicenter of all corruption. It's a given. And around the same time when Siddaramaiah meets Mr. Ishwaran, Rahul Gandhi was rubbing shoulders with Mehul Choksi in Delhi, promoting Gitanjali Jewels, getting a loan of 1550 crores against all norms. I think this connection with all scamsters, I think Siddaramaiah would not have done this but for a direct intervention and connection with the Congress's senior leaders in Delhi. Because we have seen in Govinda Rajulu Dairy on your channel, we debated this.
That's right. Let's take a look at the fact check. Let's take a look at the fact check. Let me give you all the facts with the charges against Siddaramaiah.
Payments to the Congress bigwigs in Delhi.
Mr. Rahul Gandhi says Congress is Imandar. Really? Let's look at this. Siddaramaiah's meeting with scamster Ishwaran.
This leads
fact
to
number 1. Fact number 2. Irrigation scam in Karnataka highlighted by the CAG. Names of Siddaramaiah's mantris in alleged payoff diaries. That diary also exposed here on Times Now. IT raids on senior ministers in Siddaramaiah cabinet. Forced to cancel steel bridge flyover over graft allegations, and gave ticket to allegedly corrupt rebel candidates of the BJP. Does this, Mr. Ashutosh Mishra, add up to an Imandar party?
I was just listening to GVL.
Answer the question.
Yeah. So I mean,
before Imandar party?
Just let me answer that.
Imandar.
There is always a reason. Just listen to the reasoning. So I was just listening to GVL, and
there's a reason for corruption.
He said
there is a reason
there is
for
no
corruption.
reason for corruption, and the corrupt always get caught in India. we are seeing what's happening.
Like Bofors.
So if there is no corruption, you like make 2G. Allegation, it cannot be proved. You are innocent unless
you say Maldar,
guilty.
not Inamdar.
No, Mr. Poonawala.
You say Maldar.
No, Mr.
Except you are reading your watch also.
You are living in Maldar people.
You have removed your watch also.
You can do that. What he was saying was that all the day
he stopped wearing a watch.
I never wear a watch.
Yeah,
he gifted his watch to 10 Janpath. He gifted it. He gifted it.
So now come on, let's not make frivolous charges. Let's not make frivolous charges.
So if everything goes to the top, I was just wondering why did the BJP's was allowed? I mean, this foreign funding was allowed, and BJP's funds nearly doubled to 1,000 crore. Why was that there, and who's to blame
Mr.
for that?
Ashutosh Mishra, if I remember correctly,
is there I mean,
Mr.
there is
Ashutosh Mishra, if I
political parties have always been finding their funding.
The FCRA charge was a case against Mr. Motilal Vora, the treasurer of the Congress party. So foreign funding
so why has
BJP की कहते हैं.
Why has it been allowed now, and why has their fund suddenly soared to 1,000 crores?
Let me go across to Mr. Faizan Kidwai. Mr. Faizan Kidwai, are we coming to a conclusion that Imandar,
Lokayukta, which is the first of its kind in the nation?
But let me get in Mr. Kidwai. Mr. Kidwai, are you with the Imandar Rahul Gandhi, or in Uttar Pradesh, this Imandar Rahul Gandhi is not your cup of tea?
See, as far as Imandar and Namdar, I just want to ask a question to BJP, who always wants to play holier than thou and would raise fingers at others. Would they please just explain that in Karnataka, they have the maximum, the members they have given tickets, they have the maximum number of members who they have given tickets who are criminals. 83 who have 83 who have charges criminal cases against them and 58 who have serious criminal charges against them. In Uttar Pradesh, Mr. Yogi Adityanath did an investor summit. Well. Investor summit, sir, would you just let me complete? Where there were two sham companies when Pavanavam Waters and other World Best Tech, which you claimed will get a lot of investment to Uttar Pradesh, but when investigation was done, there are sham companies. What kind of investment has that investor summit brought to Uttar Pradesh? What good have you given to Uttar Pradesh so far,
Mr. Kidwai, why don't you answer?
Would you please explain to us?
Mr. Kidwai, why don't you answer the question? The question on why these details on Mr. Easwaran has been removed from the Karnataka government website. If Mr. Siddaramaiah has nothing to hide, if the Congress has nothing to hide, why are the details off? Why are the photographs off? Why are the details of invitation of investments from these companies off from the website? Is this admission of guilt or not?
See, I cannot answer on behalf of Congress. You have to ask a Congress spokesperson. As far as investigation is concerned, let BJP conduct the investigation. They are in center. They have all the investigation authority agencies under them, working under them.
Yesterday they were saying Bua is the symbol and the statue of corruption. They were saying she's Daulat ki beti, not Dalit ki beti. They were saying Hathi paisa kha gaya. Today now the Hathi is sitting on the cycle and they will give a certificate, character certificate to Congress. How can they give a character certificate?
Have again
Bua and Babua were cursing each other.
That you give them MSP of 50%.
Today they are all
calculating the MSP the way it is supposed to be calculated. You are using the old method of A2 plus FL, not C2. C2 is the real method with which you can find out what would be the cost of production. Why are you constantly lying to the farmers?
Bua and Babua, both are now in Bhrashtachar. It is B2. First you said Bua was the statue of corruption. She was making statues of corruption, you were saying, till yesterday. Today now she's become pure and clean and everything has happened. She's now Dalit ki beti, no longer Daulat ki beti. That is the stand you take on corruption. And now today when you are being asked a seedha question, ki Seedha Rupaiya kidhar gaya, you are giving all kinds of excuses. I am very happy for Dalit ki beti rising. Who was saying 27 saal UP Bihar? Who said 27 saal UP Bihar? I said 27 saal UP Bihar.
You have lost
Did I say 27 saal UP
Bihar?
Did I say 27 saal UP Bihar? Did I say Mr. Janyudhari Rahul Gandhi said 27 saal UP Bihar? He insulted Dalit ki beti, not me. I said she is Dalit ki beti. Now you have problem. You asked why Seedha Rupaiya went to the
nothing.
Okay. So why has Seedha Rupaiya been deleted from the website?
The biggest issue in Karnataka is what
all the evidence is there.
What have you done? Deputy Chief Minister.
They have come and told you.
Waris Pathan.
Mr. Amit Shah has not denied this.
Mr. Waris Pathan, let me do the rapid fire round with you. Mr. Waris Pathan, can you tell me why are you in an alliance if you have a problem with the Hublot watch, if you have a problem with corruption, why are you allying with Mr. H.D. Kumaraswamy? Because look at his watches that the Congress has claimed that he has. He has a branded wristwatch worth 1.3 crore, Rado wristwatch worth 2 lakh, Frank Mueller wristwatch worth 50 lakh, Piaget watch worth 12 lakh, Frank Mueller watch worth 25 lakh, another Rado watch worth 5 lakh, Porsche worth 2.5 crore, a Hummer worth 1 crore.
Hello.
So how can you ally with such a partner and point fingers at Congress?
Yeah, I'll come to that, Navika. Just now, GVL said that 10 Janpath is the headquarter of corruption. Agreed. He said that Rahul Gandhi was seen with Mehul Chokshi in a party inaugurating the Gitanjali jewelry showroom. And I would also like to bring it to the notice of Mr. GVL that a wanted accused Nirav Modi was also seen with Narendra Modi at Davos. What has he got to say with that? Why did the government allow Vijay Mallya
He
to
was
abscond?
not accused
That is why I
at
say
that
both
time.
of them, as you
Get
call them,
your facts
Imandar or
right.
Namdar,
Mr. Waris Pathan, can you claim the moral high ground with the JDS, having a record of 41 candidates having criminal cases? What are you talking about? What are you talking about?
We want to go with a party who talks for development. We want to
Can you really claim the moral high ground on property with 29 candidates facing serious criminal cases and have non-bailable and cognizable cases against them? Can you claim the moral high ground, sir?
What about the cases faced by the BJP? What about case faced by Rahul Gandhi?
What about
the cases
what
being
about the
faced by
luxury
Rahul
car
Gandhi, accused number
worth
1 in
crores
the
of
deal?
rupees of
What
H.D.
about the
Kumaraswamy?
BJP?
What are you pointing
What
fingers
about the
at
BJP
Mr.
candidates facing
Siddaramaiah
cases
for?
in so many criminal cases? Let me tell you, Siddaramaiah, or we should get rid of Modi from India and Siddaramaiah from Karnataka. This is the bottom line, Navika. Let us get rid of Modi from India and Siddaramaiah from Karnataka.
Get rid of Modi from India?
Why? Will be able
Only
to
you
see
have
some
a right.
light after the tunnel.
Only you have a right to live in
He is the
India.
Prime Minister of India. This is an agenda of ISI.
Let us
How
get
can
rid
you
of
talk about the Prime Minister of India like that?
Even Ashutosh Mishra will not agree
dare
with this
Mr.
statement.
GVL Narasimha Rao. Mr. GVL Narasimha Rao.
Even Mr. Ashutosh Mishra will not agree with such a statement.
Mr.
Although he's your
GVL
ally.
Narasimha Rao.
I think this shows
I know now
this shows intolerant mindset. This shows your intolerant mindset. This shows your radical mindset. You want to get rid of? I think you must apologize for your completely objectionable comment. What do you mean by get rid of? What do you mean by get rid of?
In the name of Jumla Bazi, every day fooling the nation. That is why it is better that Modi goes.
Are you a representative of a political party? Are you a member of terror outfit? Are you a member of LET?
Remove him, Prime Minister.
Are you a member of LET?
Prime Minister.
Are you a member of MIM?
BJP's. No, I am not
But
a member.
you are speaking like a LET cadre.
Constitution right of country.
You are speaking like a LET.
You may be a member of that. I am a member of my great nation called India.
No, but you can't say get rid of. What do you mean by?
Voice to raise my opinion before the country and before the nation.
No, but why do
if
you?
I feel that a
But
Prime
you
Minister
are.
has failed his
You
duty
are.
to perform.
You are
I have
speaking
full
like
right
a.
to say that he should be removed.
You
and
are
our Prime
speaking
Minister
like
take
a
place.
suicide squad. You
Let
are speaking
Siddaramaiah
like
very
a
good
gunner.
CM come in his place. Both of
You
them.
are not speaking like a
People of the
political
country
party
are fed up, Mr.
representative.
GAVL.
Well,
may
let's
say
go
whatever.
to a
You
section
may
called
call
the
me whatever,
replay.
whether I'm a
Let's look at
representative.
Rahul Gandhi. Rahul Gandhi says today that he heads the Imandar party. Look at these visuals. Look at this action replay. Replay will tell you how Rahul Gandhi stands for Imandari. That's Rahul Gandhi with a convicted Lalu Prasad Yadav. Is that Imandari for you, Shehzad Poonawalla?
That is Baildhari and Jaildhari. They are together, and together they are forming a Janyudhari combination of Baildhari and Jaildhari. This is Imandar.
This is Imandari for you, Dr. Fuad Halim. Lalu Prasad Yadav, a convicted man, Rahul Gandhi sitting with him while he is convicted. He is somebody who has been convicted in the Chara Ghotala. Dr. Fuad Halim, you think this is Imandari?
Well, hey Navika, if you let me speak, I think so. I didn't get more than 15 seconds to speak the last time. I think so. If anybody else is interested in my time, you can allot it to them. If you want me to speak, then please tell me that you want me to speak.
Please speak, sir. The floor is yours.
Yeah. The first thing I would like to tell you is the only person who is the president of a party, that's the Bharatiya Janata Party, who's been convicted of corruption in defense deals is Bangaru Lakshman. Now the benchmark of the Bharatiya Janata Party
Lalu
as far as
Prasad?
concerned is
Lalu
concerned is
Prasad?
established
Achha,
beyond doubt.
Laluji also.
You see, Shehzad, you want to go, you go, please.
No, sir.
I
I'm
don't
reminding
have
you your
any,
history,
thing.
your knowledge of political
Now that's
history.
a benchmark that.
Allow him to speak. Don't heckle him.
I'm
Don't
not
heckle
heckling.
him.
Please continue for 15
Yeah,
minutes.
make your point, Dr. Fuad Ali.
Thank you, Navika, and thank you, Sajad. I think so. We got two anchors. Now, let's be very clear. The benchmark as far as Indian politics is concerned has been set by the Bharatiya Janata Party. Their national president in office was taking money on defense deals in India. He was convicted because of it. So I think so the Bharatiya Janata Party is the last party that can take a moral stand on corruption. The second question is, Narendra Modi is a prime minister who used the corruption agenda and then started indulging in it himself. Let's be very clear. There are a number of people who have been associated with corruption. There are a number of people who are under investigation for corruption.
I think people have seen how members of parliament from your own party wear such fancy watches.
Please hold your breath.
Do not pretend
the Prime Minister of India
to be a party of integrity.
As the campaigner in Karnataka,
I think you cannot lie and get away.
A person who was barred by the Supreme Court from campaigning.
People have rejected you for the same reason.
The Reddy brother
Kerala,
who was barred from campaigning in Karnataka during the election. The Prime Minister of India replaced
All right, gentlemen, I'm completely out of time. I'm completely out of time. Let's take the poll on the screen again and let's look at what our viewers are saying tonight. Our viewers are saying, but Mr. Varis Pathan, your statement has been objected to by our viewers. Vijay says, Mr. Varis Pathan is talking like a devil possessed by terror. Also, what our people are saying, Lalu is the Masiha of Imandari as per Congress President and Raga. Debanshu says that, and also, no offense, but Raga looks like a natural PFI office bearer. That's coming from Vipraj. What do people think about Imandari? Well, 80% of people say no. Congress is not Imandar, and 20% of the people say yes, Rahul Gandhi and the Congress stand for Imandar. What do you think, viewers? Because it is 36 hours to voting in Karnataka. It is the people who will decide. Special edition of the News Hour at 10 coming up from Bangalore. Stay tuned, don't go away as I thank all my guests tonight for joining me on the News Hour at 9. Taking a short break.